2025 Ford Escape stands out with its modern and athletic design, featuring a bold front grille and sleek LED headlights that give it a confident look. Available in a range of stylish colors, the Escape's aerodynamic lines are complemented by eye-catching alloy wheels and a redesigned rear with updated taillights. Its overall look is a blend of sophistication and practicality, perfect for both city streets and country roads. Powered by an available turbocharged engine, the 2025 Ford Escape delivers a dynamic driving experience with impressive fuel efficiency. Choose between a standard 1.5-liter EcoBoost or an upgraded 2.0-liter variant for more horsepower. The Escape's available all-wheel drive enhances traction and stability, making it a reliable companion in various driving conditions, whether it's a weekend getaway or a daily commute. The back seats of the Ford Escape offer exceptional comfort and versatility. With ample legroom and plush seating, passengers can enjoy a relaxed ride, even on longer journeys. The sliding second-row seats allow for customizable space, either to maximize cargo area or increase passenger comfort. The fold-flat feature also makes it easy to configure the interior for transporting larger items. Step inside the 2025 Ford Escape and be greeted by a thoughtfully designed cabin that balances functionality with style. High-quality materials and attention to detail are evident throughout, with soft touch surfaces and intuitive controls. The spacious interior offers ample storage options, and available features like a panoramic sunroof and ambient lighting add to the sense of openness and comfort. The 2025 Escape is equipped with the latest technology to keep drivers connected and entertained. The standard Sync 4 infotainment system includes a large touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration, and voice-activated controls. Optional upgrades include a premium sound system and a digital instrument cluster that provides personalized driving information at a glance. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Ford Escape, with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. The standard Ford Copilot 360 technology includes pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, blind spot information system, lane keeping system, and rear view camera. Available enhancements like adaptive cruise control and active park assist 2.0 further elevate driver confidence and convenience. Ford 2025 Escape offers a host of convenience features that make every trip more enjoyable. A hands-free power liftgate provides easy access to the cargo area, and the available remote start system allows drivers to warm up or cool down the vehicle before stepping inside. The customizable cargo space, with its adjustable load floor and numerous storage compartments, ensures that there's a place for everything you need to bring along. The 2025 Escape offers, with its striking exterior, versatile interior, advanced technology, and robust safety features, the 2025 Ford Escape is a well-rounded SUV that caters to the needs of modern drivers. Whether you prioritize performance, comfort, or connectivity, the Escape delivers in every aspect, making it an ideal choice for individuals and families seeking a stylish and capable vehicle for their everyday adventures. You can view our selection at bellford.com. Give us a call at 602-281-4080 or visit our showroom today.